Pinch turning. Pinch turning is designed for two tools to rough out a part, one tool behind the other. First, let's look at the tools. Here we've created an 80-degree diamond, upper turret, position 1, cut on the positive side of X, and the insert is face down. For the second tool, we need exactly the opposite. 80-degree diamond, lower turret, position 1, cut on the minus side of X, and the insert is face up. To start, we're going to use tool 1 to create a roughing process. Here you can set all the parameters for your roughing process. We'll select a geometry and we'll set our end markers and our start marker. And we'll say do it. Now we've created the upper toolpath. Now we need to create the X minus toolpath. So we'll select tool 2. We'll go to plugins, pinch turning, and you can read this message where it says we're going to create a pinch turning process. You need to make sure you have a tool that's located in the lower turret. It's just a warning. Say OK. Op numbers, it knows the turret numbers. Here's the distance lag between the turrets. One will follow behind the other. We'll say do it, and it creates our lower toolpath. If we look at this in a cut part render, you can see the pinch turning process.